got that first piece written down?
No.
Perfect. So today we're going to be solving for b. We're going to find the y-intercept of the linear function with a slope of 2 that goes through the point 1, 3. So I got a slope of 2 going through the point 1, 3. Okay, essentially what this is a 4-piece puzzle. We talked about puzzles the other day, right? Yeah. Right? How easy would a 4-piece puzzle be?
Very easy.
Super easy, which is why this is super easy. So in my slope-intercept form, what are my 4 letters in slope-intercept form? What are the 4 letters, Ava? Y, M, X, and B. Okay, what, how should I phrase this? How many numbers are we given in this problem?
2. 3.
We got 3 numbers. What are my 3 numbers? 2, 1, and 3. Okay. Do I know what my M is equal to?
Yes.
What's my M?
2.
A slope of 2 means my M is 2. Everybody with me so far?
Yeah. Yes.
Do I know what an X is equal to in this problem?
Yes.
Well, what is this point made up of here? An X and a Y, right? So what is my X equal to?
1.
1. Everybody still with me?
Yes.
Do I know what my Y is equal to?
Yes.
What's my Y? 3.
3.
And finally, do I know what my B is equal to?
No.
No, that's why we're solving for B. If we don't know which number represents which variable, we're doomed. Bless you. And we don't want to be doomed. Okay? So I know 3 pieces of the puzzle. I don't know what that 4th piece is. That's what we're going to figure out. How can we figure it out? Well, we're going to take our slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And we're going to plug in all the pieces that we do know. What am I going to plug in for y?
3.
3 equals, what am I going to plug in for m? 2 times, what am I going to plug in for x?
1.
1 plus
B.
b. Do I know what b is? No. But now I have enough information to solve for b. Right? And hopefully you look at that and it doesn't look that difficult. What's the first thing I need to do if I want to get b all by itself? Before we subtract, we want to follow PEMDAS, right?
Multiply 2 by 1.
We're going to multiply 2 times 1. Well, what is 2 times 1?
2.
2. Okay, let me rewrite this and give you a moment to write it before we move forward. The faster I go, the more confused we get. But the slower I go, the less time we have to work. What can I do now to get b all by itself? Colby, what can I do? We're going to subtract 2 from both sides. Alex, what does that leave me with?
3 minus 2 is 1.
Okay, 3 minus 2 gives me 1 equals
B.
b. So, what's my b value here?
1.
1.
That looks shockingly easy.
Most it's easy.
Now, we found b, but we're not done. Because now we're going to write the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay? Now, we're going to write the equation. What are the 2 things I need to know to write an equation in slope-intercept form?
Y and X.
Opposite of that.
M and B.
Yeah, it's slope-intercept form. So I need to know the slope, and I need to know the y-intercept. That's why it's called slope-intercept form. Do I know what the slope here is?
Yes.
What is my slope?
2.
2.
2. that's given to us in the problem. Do I know what my b is equal to?
Yes.
Oops, sorry, I didn't realize it was that low. Well, what's my b equal to?
1.
1, that's what we just found.
There you go.
So I could write the equation, y is equal to 2x plus 1.
Hooray.
The more we do this, the easier it's going to get. Oh, I did, okay. Try this one on your own. Let's say we've got a slope of 1/2. We're going through the point. Eight, comma 4. Give it a shot. See if you can not only find b, but then write the equation for this line in slope-intercept form. You're giving it a try yourself. So,
Before that.
do you have one? Okay.
How do you break that? Is it like that?
Good. Good setup. Looks good.
That's not the answer. Oh, I thought you wanted like, oh, my fault.
Yeah. Yeah.
My fault, bro. So it's like that.
Yeah, it's like that.
Now, does plus 0 do anything for us?
No.
So do we want to write it at all? No, we can leave it off.
So then it's just that. Easy. Because I'm amplifying. Or used to do.
Sure.
Okay.
Until I grew up.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, I did the equation wrong.
Yes.
Zero. Hold on,
Yeah, he is.
hold on.
Okay.
Okay, it makes sense.
Okay.
I did the equation wrong.
I have
I did it. Alright. I just
Yeah.
I saw the
Yeah. Like the.
There was
Are you struggling? No. Are you struggling on this?
Did I do it right? Did I do it right? Bro, you just broke my leg.
All right, that should be more than enough time. Let's figure out what we know. Do I know what my m is equal to?
Yeah.
What's my m?
Wow.
Okay. Do I know what my x is equal to?
Yes.
What's my x? Do I know what my y is equal to? What's my y? Do I know what my b is equal to? No. That's why we're solving for b. That's right. Okay. So I'm going to turn y equals mx plus b into y, which is 4, equals m, which is 1/2, times x, which is 8, plus b, which is b. All right? Now I'm going to solve. What is 1/2 times 8? 4, right? It's just like 8 divided by 2. So I've got 4 plus b equals 4. How can I get b all by itself? Subtract the 4. What is 4 minus 4? 0. So what is my b equal to? 0.
Nothing.
Is that my only answer?
Nope.
Okay, what am I going to do with that b now?
You have to put it into the right equation.
We're going to write the equation. So y is equal to, what's my m again?
1/2.
1/2 x
Yes.
plus 0. Do I need that plus 0 on the
You
end?
don't really need it because
No.
it's not going to do anything.
It's not going to do anything. I'm not going to write it. I'm going to write it as y is equal to 1/2 x.
Get out.
Okay, stop. That's fine. Just don't do it again.
Never heard somebody yawn like that.
You trying to say this was boring?
No.
Yes, he is.
Seems like that's what you're trying to say.
No, I've been playing basketball all day.
Give you a hard one.
Yes.
Huh?
There is no hard ones. It's easy.
Yeah, it's all. That's what I'm saying.